Hello guys, my name is Wasim and today we are going to learn about the web development course in a very simple and efficient way. And we will also discuss about the languages which are used for the development of the website and all the material which is necessary for making the better website in an efficient way. We will all discuss here. Now, for become the good developer, you just need to learn my daily lecture video, and definitely you will become expert after watching my videos, and you can make your own website very easily. Now, what is web development and what things are required? First of all, you need an editor. What editor mean? You need first thing is editor. What is editor? Editor mean that where you can write your code for your developing the website. There are many different editors languages, but at this level we will work on Notepad, and because this is the basic editor and where you can write the code for all your languages. After this we will learn about Dreamweaver, which is the professional editor. Now when you will write the code, and then you need to check and verify your code that whether your code is working good or not. We use the browsers. This is the first browser is Chrome, the second is Firefox, and the third one is Internet Explorer, and fourth one you can see Safari is also used for this purpose. So mainly here we use most of the people use Chrome and Firefox. Now two things are required. First is the editor, and the second one is browsers. These two things are required mainly. Now the most relevant question here is, do we need the internet to check our website on these browsers? No, we do not need any internet connection to check our website or our code which is written in the notepad. We do not need any internet at this level. So before starting the work, I request to everyone, please subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video, because so that more and more people can see this video and can make their own website in a very simple and easy way. Also click on the notification button so you will get my alert for my new videos. All right, now let's talk about the web development designing. Web designing. What we need here, first of all, we will learn here HTML. Second, we will learn here HTML5. These are all the front-end development. Front-end. This is called the front-end. Also, it includes Top Photoshop. I will also teach you about Top Photoshop. Third one is CSS. Fourth one you can CSS3. These are all the front-end developments, and when we talk about the backend development, what is backend designing, you can say right here. Backend, on backend we will about web designing, web development. Also we will talk about JavaScript, HTML, yeah, PHP, also the WordPress. I will teach you the most popular tool. Now these are the front-end development tools, front-end designing, that we design our website in HTML, HTML5. For the designing we use the Adobe Photoshop, and for the CSS we write the CSS for our designs. Like I will teach you everything there. And on the back end we use the web development tools, JavaScript, HTML, PHP, WordPress. I will teach you all these things in my all the videos, my lectures. So let's start from here. Now for the, if we will talk about the basics, the basic is this. These are the two signs, this one and this one. These are called angle brackets, right? Basically this is used for in our languages if you want to make your any website. So these are the symbols we use. This is called the angle brackets, and what we are going to write in these angle brackets, that is called tag, like this. These are called tag. Also this is called opening tag, and this is also called somewhere starting tag. So here is a rule: if you are going to use the opening tag or starting tag in your website, then definitely there will be the closing tag or ending tag. So what is that? That is with this forward slash. You will write a forward slash and write your tag name, which you have write in the starting tag, which is your opening tag. You will write that tag between after the forward slash. Okay, so this is called ending tag, or you can also write this as a closing tag, right? So here is the thing which I want to clear you. This is called slashes. So what is this? This slash, this this is called forward slash. Okay, we will write here forward slash, which is used for the ending the tag. Okay, all right, and this is called backward slash, backward slash. So forward slash is used in our HTML because this is used for closing the tags. So for today we will just learn about the tags, and in the next video we are going to learn more about the HTML, and properly we will start the HTML work, that how we will write the HTML and how we will start making our website. So till now you have to see these things, that what is tag and what is opening tag and ending tag. So now this is all for the day. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.